So what kind of role of nursing are you looking for? Like say ICU ba siya, staff nurse, elderly care ba? O anong klase ba? Ano bang ano niyo hinahanap niyo so far?
That's a good question, Jerome, no? Kasi not a lot of people
Mm.
uh, ask that question. Eh. They just apply and,
Mm. Yes.
throw whatever. Minsan nga, nakakatawa,
Mm.
Jerome, no? Without even thinking, they just email their CVs without even
Mm.
changing kumbaga yung cover letter. So sometimes,
Yes.
iba
Iba.
yung agency.
Oo,
Tapos,
parang copy and paste nagmamadali lang. Oo.
yeah, it's like a send to all approach, which is good, all in good.
Mm.
You're
Mm.
maximizing your time, yes, but it
Yes.
shows your professionalism as well. So
Yes,
I'd
of
like to
course.
point out to the
Mm.
candidates that we do
Mm.
value yung respect and professionalism, no? So sometimes
Mm.
when we see that, it's a red mark to
Mm.
you, eh. Alam mo yun, as a
Yes.
candidate, eh. It means you're not doing your diligence.
Mm.
And sampal yun kasi syempre, it's a very
Yeah.
competitive field.
Mm.
So please, for those na manonood ng, and I know
Mm.
there's thousands because we're gonna
Yeah.
post this on our two pages.
Yes.
So there's gonna be thousands of viewers. Kung nanonood po kayo, please do change the title
Yeah.
of your cover letter.